just dropped off the CX-3. As I mentioned, it's already come to the client's house. They test drove the car, they were quite happy with the car. So once they submit everything, this car will go for tech wrap. Yeah, that's that.
Well, still morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the drive-by. Bit of an unexpected episode or clips that I'm shooting now, but I thought I might as well take you guys on a drive. Hope you guys are having a good week thus far. We are in the Tiguan today, seeing that it was outside and it had way more fuel than the blue car. Taking a drive to Maitland quickly to get a mirror for the CX-3, because we found out that the mirrors fold, but the passenger mirror wasn't folding in and the mirror was a bit loose, so the gears inside the, I don't know what you call it, the actuator mechanism, but it seems to be at fault, so we're just gonna replace the mirror. So the CX-3 is actually sold. Was notified about it this morning, so we just need to sort that out quickly, and the mirror doesn't take my expenses up by much anyway, because the mirror costs 1,300 rand and should be something that's simple and straightforward to fix. So yeah, we're in the Tiguan today. It's a 2017 model 1.4 Comfort Line TSG. It's got 127,000 kilometers on the clock. When we got the CX-3 last year, I think it was last year, December, early December, we had 113 on the clock. So yeah, we've been using it. It's been reliable. And the only thing we had to do was just preventative maintenance when we got this, when we got the Tiguan. Again, as per process, we got it. It went immediately to VAG spec. We did a service on the car. We did a gearbox service. We changed the water pump. What else did we do? We changed the timing belt. We changed the fan belt. And again, like I said, it was turbo seals, if I'm not mistaken, as well. And it was all preventative maintenance. And the recent work that I've done on it was serviced last month, if I'm not mistaken. Front brakes, front discs, rear brakes as well. It was all last month, so yeah, a bit of an expensive month with regards to this vehicle last month, but it drives every single day and it's been fault free ever since we bought it. So yeah, if you look after it, it will look after you. So we're driving back from Maitland. Well, we already drove most of the journey anyway. I'm just driving to gym now, so I'm on the road. Got the mirror. There we go. So the other mirror has a cover on, the other mirror has the glass as well. So this one is just a chassis with the indicator. Don't need the indicator though, but so yeah. Quick fix, didn't cost much, $1,200. So yeah. Doesn't really affect my expenses on the vehicle that much. I think it takes it now to 6, let's say 6 for the sake of a round number. So again, the expenses just wasn't bad with this car as well. And like I say, buy the right car, take down all the information properly, do your homework, thoroughly inspect the vehicle, and you mitigate risk. So we are leaving gym, and this was our weapon of choice for the day. So we're going to change the bonnet cable in the R32 quickly, because the handle broke some time ago. So yeah, changing the handle and the bonnet cable all the way. R30. Panels on. Looks proper now. Closes softly. Opens. Perfect. So we have our own personal little security guard. So good morning everyone. Just an update on what we did yesterday. Ever since I had the car, this panel that you see, this one that was off and it didn't have a bonnet release lever. Apologies for the dirty car. So we had that sorted out yesterday, replaced the cable. It was quite a mission, took the wheel off, took the wiper off. So yeah, thankfully I've never needed to open the bonnet really, because these cars are quite reliable. And yeah, at least that's sorted out. The car's interior is somewhat complete now. So yeah, there are some changes coming to the car soon, so you guys will see that. Not sure when exactly, but we do plan to play around with the car's look. The idea is already in place, so you guys will see it later in the channel. Cool, so we are popping in at Wingfield quickly. I've got a client here that's interested in the 2017 Polo Vivo that you guys saw in the previous video, one of the previous videos, the grey one. So let's just see how we can assist him quickly. We already started the application process for finance for the vehicle, because it is a service that I do offer. So yeah, I've got a client looking at the car now, going through it. As you can see, we make sure you are roadworthy and ready to go. The car is extremely clean. Again, this is what you can expect.